Years of waiting were terminated. Elizabeth said, you showed her great mercy. He might be one child, but it was one child that made news. It was one child that fulfilled destiny. Hear me. I am talking to you, not to another person. At the sound of your amen, by the mercies of God, years of waiting, days of waiting, months of waiting, at the sound of your amen, they are terminated. 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 Was it not Jacob that said, I am not worthy of the least of thy mercies? I crossed over this Jordan with only a staff. I have come back as a multitude. I have come back as a multitude. I don't know how few things are around you. Let God be true and every man a liar. In 48 hours, your evidence shall be called a multitude. A multitude, a multitude, a multitude. Right now, right now.